Before Colorado was a state, the main draw to the region was the prospect of getting rich from the abundance of precious metals that were being mined out of the mountains. St. Elmo was one of these mining boom towns that hit its peak in 1890. Not only were the mines profitable, but the benefit of the Denver, South Park, and Pacific Railroad lines running through the town made St. Elmo a regional powerhouse. There were over 150 officially registered mine claims, with the largest mine recovering over $60 million of gold. St. Elmo was home to 5 hotels, several saloons, a telegraph office, general store, a newspaper, dancing halls, a school, and a church. Once the mine started to dry up, the population slowly left, and St. Elmo was struck its death blow in 1922 when the railroad line was abandoned. The last known official resident died in 1952, but there are occupied homes close to St. Elmo. What you see now is how it sits in 2019. St. Elmo is one of the best preserved ghost towns in Colorado. This building here was the old town hall, and you can see in the back corner where there was the jail cell. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you all next time.